Hello and welcome back to A Million Bucks Style. I have been getting a lot of requests to show you guys how I wear my hair sleek and pulled back in this beautiful bun. Hailey Bieber in 2022 made this hairstyle super popular and I was hooked. I watched a bunch of videos, I watched a lot of her videos, and I noticed that the trick to this particular hairstyle is to make sure that you're not pulling your hair down, rather up. Let me show you a quick tutorial on how to get this sleek pullback hairstyle very quickly under 5 minutes. And the beauty of this is that you can wear it on gym days, when your hair is dirty, or you have any product that you want to keep overnight. This hairstyle looks beautiful. It looks great on everyone as long as you follow a bunch of these tricks that I'm going to share with you in the video. Let's get started and make sure that you're taking notes. Alright, so I'm not going to be looking into this camera, I'll be looking into this camera and myself, so bear with me. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like currently. I just got back from the gym, so this is gym hair. I washed my hair on Friday, today is Monday. So this is basically a hairstyle that works beautiful when you have dirty hair or when you apply a little bit of product. Now when I say product, you can even apply hair serums for hair growth, and I do this all the time. I've been using a bunch of products and I will share my review very soon with you. Whenever I'm using a hair serum, like currently I'm using a hair growth serum for my crown area, and whenever I do use a hair serum, I like to keep it on for more than just overnight. I like to keep it on for at least 24 hours and then wash it off. So this particular hairstyle allows me to shoot and look beautiful and put together without having to worry about washing my hair. So let's get started. We have dirty hair and I have mid-length. Now my hair has grown so they reach almost on the top of my chest, which is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by combing my hair. Now the beauty of this particular hairstyle is that you don't need a lot of product and you don't even need a lot of time. I have gotten very good at it because I've been doing this for so long. Alright, start by combing your hair and making sure you've detangled your hair with a wide tooth comb. I use this one. I'll just link it if you don't, have one. I've had it for almost 5 years if I'm not wrong, but yeah. Now I'm just going to quickly divide my hair into two by creating a center part like this. Very convenient. And I have thin hair. I have very thin hair, but I have a lot of hair. So it feels like you have a lot of volume, which is good. Now just take a hair elastic. Now these elastics that you basically get in the market, they're very easy. You'll find them anywhere. Just make sure that they are tight, they're not loose, so that you get that tight, pull back hairstyle. So I'm going to go with the smaller one today. I'm just going to roughly tie my hair, and I'm using a fine comb. This is a tail comb. I'm using a fine comb to just pull my hair in the back and make sure that we get the desired result. Now the idea is that you are not pulling your hair down and doing it like this. You are pulling your hair away from your face. So always in the upward direction. And you also want to make sure that the center part is visible. So whenever you are combing your hair over the center part, you are going like this. You're basically twisting it against your hair. Similarly, like this. And lift your hair away from your face. So as you can tell, all of a sudden it already starts to look quite cute and neat. Now the reason why I love this hairstyle is because it suits me and it also makes you look so much cleaner and neater. And who doesn't like that? Like, it literally can make any look just because you have your hair pulled back. Now I'm just going to quickly tie a pony. It's a very rough, like I can see lots of flyaways. I'm just going to tie a pony on the back. So this is what it looks from the back. I'm just going to tie a pony and I'm going to go 3 rounds. So this is what the hair looks like. It's just a regular pony right now. Alright, once the pony is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the hair cream that I have from Arata. I've had this hair cream for almost 2 years since I've been doing this hairstyle, And we're going to take a little bit. You don't need a lot. As you can tell, it's quite creamy. It's very good for your hair. You're not going to feel like that tight feeling. I'm going to take a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. So this is the amount that I'm taking right now. And I am going to just put it on my fingers like this and on my flyaways. It is almost like a moisturizing conditioner that you put on your hair, yet it gives you that sleek finish instantly without doing anything. I haven't even used the brush that I use usually. It's just to make sure that all the flyaways are tamed and they are in their place. Okay, so this is what your hair is going to look like after you've applied the hair cream. Now I'm going to open the pony again, and I'm going to take this boar brush or teasing brush or whatever you want to call it, and this is where the magic lies, guys. This is what's going to make all the difference in making sure that you have the most clean finish as far as your hairstyle is concerned. Now I'm going to take this and start combing my hair in the upward direction. Now your hair is going to remember that it was tied in a certain manner, so it's going to go in that direction. You just have to pull it in the upward direction, and that's how we do it. It's going to give you a very, very clean and sleek finish. All right, this is done. Hair is neat and clean, as you can tell. So this is what it looks like. I do have a lot of whites, but that's okay. Okay, now I'm just going to tie my hair into a tight ponytail. And this is what it looks like from the front, guys. It instantly makes you look so much more fresh, clean, put together, all the words that I like to use all the time, and sophisticated. Anyways, so this is what it looks like from the front. It's rather clean. Let me just switch to a regular camera and show it to you. Okay, so you can tell this is what it looks like. It's very, very clean, and all the flyaways are on the back. I'm just going to apply a little bit here also, because I can see a little bit of flyaway. And whenever during the day, or if you're in the office and you feel, oh my god, my flyaways are back, you don't necessarily need to carry this product. All you need to do is take a little bit of water in your hand, just a little bit, not too much. Just take a little bit of water in your hand and just move it over your hair, and the cream is going to get reactivated and it's going to stick your hair back in its place. Super easy. While you can wear your hair like this in a pony, and this is what it looks like from the back. What you can do is, other than this, is tie it in a hair bun. Now I like to do the twist hair bun, especially because I'm changing the outfits so often. I like to keep my hair in place, otherwise I'm constantly playing with it or fixing it, and I don't like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on the back, and I'm going to show you exactly how to tie this in a sleek bun. All you need is a bunch of bobby pins. I have a lot of bobby pins here. You just need these bobby pins to make sure you get this beautiful hairstyle. Let me move to the back and show you how we style it. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the back. My pony is looking like this right now. It's rather clean and neat. What I'm going to do is, very quickly, I'm going to divide it into two sections. You can divide it into 3 or 4, depending on how much volume of hair you have. I don't have a lot of hair, so it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to start twisting one section and start moving it around my ponytail. This way, even the elastic gets covered and my hair looks cute. I'm going to take a bunch of bobby pins as I move along, and I'm going to continue to apply them to secure them in the pony. Don't try and make it perfect, guys. It's perfectly fine if it's not perfect. In fact, if it looks natural, it's even better. And that's about it. It's as simple as that. It's rather easy, and it looks so neat, so clean, so beautiful. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like. I told you it's going to be very quick and very easy. Now the trick, or rather the secret to pull this hairstyle and make it look chic and natural, is to make sure that you don't pull your hair down, rather you pull your hair up. When we're taking some sweat off of our face, we're never doing this. Nobody does this. Everybody does this, and that's what the hairstyle needs to do. It lifts your face and gives you those chiseled cheekbones, and even the brows, they get the natural lift, and everything looks neat and clean and summery and fresh. I absolutely love it. I am a sucker for a good sleek hair bun, and I think it looks beautiful even when you travel. You look so much put together. I remember when I was in Tamil Nadu, we'd gone for a trip. Everybody at Rameshwaram was looking like they've been electrocuted because the wind was gushing through their hair and making sure that all the hair strands are pulled out. And I was perhaps the only one whose hair was in place. And everybody's wondering, what has she done to her hair? I don't know if they were complimenting me or they were making fun of me, it doesn't matter. But all I know is that I didn't have to worry about my hair at all, and I could enjoy myself and still look beautiful and put together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what else you'd like to watch from me. If there are other hairstyles that you've noticed from my other videos, I would love to show it to you. They're rather simple, very easy, and also gives your face a very pretty framing effect. I will see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000.